Hello everyone, welcome back to the Easy Tech Steps channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to change the background of your Firefox browser to create a more personalized and visually appealing interface. First, open Firefox on your computer. Then, click on the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, select Add-ons and Themes. When the Add-ons window appears, go to the Themes tab. Here, you'll find a list of available themes already included in Firefox. If you want to use one of these, simply click the Enable button next to the theme, and it will be applied immediately. To explore more themes, click the Install Theme button on any suggested themes that are not yet installed. Once selected, click Add to confirm. The theme will be applied right away. If you want an even greater selection, click on the Find More Themes link at the bottom of the page. This will take you to the Firefox Add-ons website, where you can browse hundreds of themes. Here, you can click on different categories. Choose a theme you like, and click Install, just like in the previous step. If you're a fan of dark mode, you can use the search bar to quickly find relevant themes by typing keywords like dark. To ensure your themes stay updated automatically, go back to the Themes page, click the gear icon, and check if the Update Add-ons Automatically option is enabled. If not, turn it on to make sure your themes update seamlessly whenever new versions are available. If you want to return to the default appearance, go to the Themes tab, scroll down to find the System theme, and click Enable. This will reset your browser to its original look. And that's it! I've just shown you how to easily change the background of your Firefox browser. Customizing your browser with themes not only makes it look better, but also creates a more enjoyable and personal browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to catch all future tutorials from Easy Tech Steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.